Young and the Restless reveals that Sally was surprised when Victor actively contacted her, even when he hopes she lets go of the past and joins Newman again. But when she agrees to everything, Victor denies everything. She realized she had fallen into his trap. But what else could she do at this point? Victor defended his actions and asserted that the company also made sudden changes to be more appropriate. However, Sally knows this person well and she feels angry and insists that she will not let this pass so easily. Victor also has his own changes for Adam because he hopes everything can go exactly as he has come up with. However, things still can't go in the right direction because Adam is always the unruly person in all things. Should Sally really continue to hang out with the Newman family because each one of them hurt her? At the time she was with Adam, everything seemed to be okay. But he hurt her. He thinks his departure would be an opportunity for Sally to, however, this still doesn't convince Victoria. She lost not only the job she loved, but even the person she loved. Regardless of her excellent performance, both Victoria and Victor insist she's just troublesome and needs to be eliminated soon. And because of this, she's constantly receiving criticism. Sally was also heartbroken when Adam claimed he had never loved her, even though he was just teasing his feelings. Adam thought that was what he should do for her, even though both of them are still really in love with each other. Adam doesn't understand that he's the only person she wants to be with, even if she has nothing in her hand. So after finishing, she tried to find herself a more suitable choice. To my surprise, that person was Nick. Nick also didn't have a good view of Sally when she got to know Adam. But things quickly changed when he comes to contact with Sally. Even he was moved and wanted to be by his side to protect this girl. Even when Sally was pregnant and the child wasn't his, Nick was still there to support them. Therefore, Sally believes that she can entrust her lifelong happiness to this man. But Adam can regret seeing it all. Even when Ava shows up, he tries to hold on to his little family. However, Sally's determination made him realize that he didn't have any other chance. With his role, he will still hope that they can be happy with Nick. On this side, he also suffered from psychological trauma. But no one noticed this. Not even someone as knowledgeable as Sharon would notice. He always lives in his world instead of trying to care about someone. He feels that people always treat him unfairly, so the mistakes since then are getting bigger and bigger. Victor also confirmed to Sally that she lost her chance at the time. Even recently, he's been busy focusing on his children's plans. However, his insincere words could be discerned. As for fans, what do you think's going on? Nick will try to find a way to comfort, even being ready to confront his father if Sally suffers any kind of pain. So things that come here between them can develop in a much more favorable way. Sally needs more time to get over the pain of losing her baby, but Nick thinks she's done her job well. She's even too young to continue to have more beautiful children for her, and things don't seem to have been rushed in the end. But both of them clearly understand what they need to do to build a better life, even together to build a happy new home. We'll regularly update you the latest information, so don't miss any interesting content in the near future.